stay true to you. Stay whatever naturally feels right to you. Who gives a if you're just trying to be a showboat and fucking just, oh, look how bad I am. Man, what happened? Yeah, you ain't that no more? Yeah. But if you let it out and it's the wrong time, it's the wrong person, oh, you're going to eat from it, kid. I mean, a lot of times it don't work out for them cats, man. And if it does, down the long run, it don't work out for them. It's going to test you, son, throughout life. People don't wait. You know what? Lose some friends over it because, hey, man, you ain't really friends. Why you ain't trying to understand me? Yo, let them go, okay? But stay true to you. This way one day, that way that day. Nah, I can't. I don't got shit to say. Why? Because I don't know how I play. That's real. Be comfortable, and it's okay to do what you do. Just know, hey, in between, yeah, it's all right. It's okay if you make a mistake or two. That's what everybody do. Just don't stay being a fool.